that both sides begin anew the quest for peace.
Alright, welcome back. I've got a few things going to do to the SuperJet and kind of just an update as to what I've got going on with the SuperJet. A lot of these videos I kind of probably have done in the past and everything, so I'm kind of putting them all together and trying to edit something out of it. But first thing is the pole spring on the SuperJet. I've got that in. I'm going to show you right here. This just came in. It's the Blowsion heavy duty spring for the hand pole to put on here, so we're going to end up replacing the one that's in here and put this better one, so maybe it'll help a little bit with you know, long-term riding. It won't wear you down as much. So, and the other thing's cool is it's made in the USA. So let's get this thing knocked out. Looks like you just take these two screws out and this should slide the main cowl piece off up here, so we'll get these. Don't lose those little spacers. And there that is. Break this loose and should be able to just slide it right out. Get that obviously you're not going to slide it the whole way out, but slide it out enough to be able to get the spring out of there. Still keep it enough in this side where all you do is slide it back through the rest of the way. Something I don't know here. I don't know how many of y'all done this, or if this is your first time. Obviously it might be the first time watching this, or you're just watching just to watch it, but this sucker apparently has never been removed from the ski, because that thing, I guess it had like a little bit of corrosion inside of here and all that, but that sucker was on there. I had to use a serious impact to try to break that loose and get it to come out this far. I mean, it's like so hot right now. But I got it where now I can knock this on out, you know, because I got it to there. So I just got to get it all the way, you know, pull it on out. But I'm going to try to get something, prop this up for me where I can kind of see what I'm doing. And try to get that spring out and pop in the new one. Let's see. Make sure I get this. I pulled it a lot further than I said I was going to. Oh, there goes my prop. Shouldn't be anything holding it. There we go. Okay. So, if I was gonna guess, that's not much different, but you can tell they're spaced a little more, and the way that's twisted, it's not the same. So get that thing out. So get this thing crammed back up in there. That one. There's that. Oh. Let's see if we can get this thing lined up. it. I got it all back in there, all the way through. Got the lock nut over here. Just got to put a little cowl piece back on the 2 screws, but pretty basic, fairly easy to install. The hardest part, like I said, was trying to get this thing broke loose, because obviously it's never been removed, so it was pretty tight in there. So, but we got it going. I actually got it a little bit tighter where it actually just hold as well, so that might make it a little bit easier too. I don't know, I may end up thinking it's too hard to lift it up and down, so I may loosen that back up a bump. So here is my opinion after riding for a while with the new Blowsion spring in there. And I don't know if maybe I just didn't install or bend it. Maybe you're supposed to bend it a little more or something, but in my opinion, it really doesn't feel any different. I mean, it really doesn't feel any different than the stock spring. Maybe I just need to tighten these bolts down a little bit more, or the one bolt, and tighten it down a little bit more. But I really couldn't tell a big difference in how, you know, the pole spring helped. I mean, it may have a little bit, but it wasn't enough to make me be like, you know, wow, can't believe I've done this or waited to do this. So that's my opinion on that.